So changing rear windscreen wiper motor on a Citroen DS3. Just remove plastic cover. This is covered with a plastic cover, both sides, inside that side, and you've got, I think there's four of those screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might need a special plastic trim removing tool, or go easy with a flat bladed screwdriver. Just prise it out, and then you're left with the motor. They go quite often, it's a common fault on them. I'll show you how to remove it and replace it.
13.
One of the issues you might get is when you take the nut off, this is really corroded badly to the splines, and it might mean you have to take the whole lot off by cutting it or something, which is what I might have to do. But it's actually, I've tried warming it up and gouging it out, hitting it with a hammer, etc, etc. But I think for the cost of £12 for the whole arm and blade, it's worth it. So I think that's what I'm going to do, cut it off. Make sure you don't damage this seal. It's like a big grommet, because that's what's going to let your water in. That's the seal from the boot side. Don't damage that bit.
Little plug here, tab on the top, press it, boom. You see these little splines here, that's what gets seized on the old ones. So obviously once they get weathered from hot water and stuff, they stick together. if you buy a brand new one, this one's reconditioned from an old DS3 or a used DS3, so it's got these on. If you buy a new one, it probably won't have them, so you have to take it off of this, your old one, and put them onto the new one, all three of them.
Make sure the plugs are the same position.
Right, put it back on, it's just the same in reverse. So make sure you don't damage the seal as you're going down. Try not to stab it or anything or push it out the other side. Straight through the centre hole. Line these up relative to the big hole, not a little bit, the big one. All three, same round here. We'll just pop in a bit like that and twist it back. Click, there you go. Don't forget your plug.
Simple.
When you're about to put arm back on, as you've actually done all that, I recommend putting blade on first. As it goes like that, the springs on your spring here, if you've got it lifted up, or even not, you're risking scratching glass when it goes on. When you put your blade on, mark your part is going to be, so that's how your arm's going to be. So you want to make sure when the blade goes on, that it folds the right way. So that'd be the wrong way, look, because it won't go flat. So just spin it around, put it through that way, and that'd work. So put it through like that, through the top. There's a little bar there that's clipped into there. Get in till you click, fold it back. So, got splines in there. Actually, no, you haven't. I apologise, that's round. No splines, but it'll catch a bit on these splines. So get it lined up with bottom at window where it was before. Pull it up all the way. Get it onto there and put your nut on top. Tighten it down, double check it. If you're happy with it, tighten it up.
Yeah, we did on the other one, didn't we?
13mm. Deep sockets usually better.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and click on the bell notification button for more. It all helps with the YouTube algorithm.
Don't want to go too tight, so if you come to do it again, you'll never get it off. And once you've done that, all this is two little knobbles. And they just click into back at arm. Two little holes there, one on each side. Just pop it over the top. We need two ends. Open it up a bit. If you can. Solid.
Sorted. Job done.